Welcome back, everybody. Today's an exciting day because I'm bringing you the brand new Blackstone Leggero Pizza Oven. That's right. I'm going to tell you all about it, and we're going to cook a pizza. In short, Leggero is apparently Italian for lightweight. It's small, as you can see. You can cook up to a 13-inch pizza on the rotating stone, and you can cook a pizza just as well as you can in the large Blackstone Pizza Oven. You can buy these at blackstoneproducts.com. The price is right. The Leggero comes with the 1 pound, the green canister adapter, or you can use an adapter hose to run it off a 5, 10, 20, 30 pound bulk propane tank. I should also mention that the turntable can be powered 2 different ways with AA batteries. I have 4 AA batteries in there right now, or it comes with a power adapter. If you watch my videos on the big Blackstone Pizza Oven, this door is not really a door, it's a dust cover. This reaches very high temperatures, and if you cooked with the door, it would essentially become a blast furnace. Way too hot, way too dangerous. But the small Leggero, we need the door to help contain the heat. First things first, turn the rotating stone on. It has that same safe start thermocouple that the big oven has. You can see we have ignition, and then we close the door and we wait till the temperature up top gets really high, up in that 700 to 800 degree range. Of course, with pizza ovens, the only thing you're going to be concerned with is the stone temperature. I'm doing an infrared. We're up in the 600s, low 700 degree range. Sometimes I cook pizzas in the 500 degree range. That's a minimum. Other times I'm cooking up in that 700 degree range. And if you're new to this channel, I am not a pizza making expert. I'm not what they call a pizziolo. I am one of Blackstone's griddle pros. I cook on Blackstone griddles for a living. I've been cooking on Blackstone griddles for 11 years, but I like good food and I love pizza. I love using these Dalalo kits, okay? We're making a Neapolitan style pizza today. Pizza crust from the Naples, Italy area. Sometimes I make my own. Blackstone actually has really good dough recipes on their website, but I love these Dalalo kits. It has everything you need to get started. It has the yeast, the type 00 flour. One of these packages, 1 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. You knead it for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then make it into balls, and I put it in my proofing boxes. In this case, I had them proofed overnight in the refrigerator, and then I took them out a couple of hours ago. This is a mixture of semolina flour with regular flour. I was watching one of those expert pizziolos, and that's what he did. So, and go into my proofing box. Oh yeah, dough looks really nice. You're gonna see that my dough handling skills are not the best. In fact, I even had a comment, and he said, your pizza dough handling skills are atrocious. Again, do not attempt my dough handling tricks at home. And since I'm taking it easy, I'm also using that Dalalo Margarita style pizza sauce. I've learned over the years that you want to use less sauce than you think you need. Should look a little thin. You should be able to see your dough through the sauce. Del Galbani whole milk Italian style mozzarella cheese. It's so good. It's easy to work with. You don't have to press the moisture out. Just chop it up into little cubes and you'll get the best stretch, the best melt of any type of cheese. Now this style of pizza, the Neapolitan style pizza, is a little bit different. It's a little bit lighter on ingredients. Traditionally, you're not going to have pepperoni on it. The crust is what speaks to you on this. You could just have butter on this. You could just have sauce on this. It's all about the amazing crust. So today though, I am going to put a lot of cheese on there because I like the cheese. This is not authentic. I always have to have some garlic powder. I've been known to even put a little bit of oregano on my pizza. Just a little bit. We're scorching hot. Let's open the Leggero. Gonna shimmy the pizza onto my peel. Turn that stone off, and this is where you have to be quick. We're gonna do a quick shimmy onto the stone. No goofing around. We're in, and we press our stone. You want to turn the temperature way down low. Depending on where you're cooking it, the outside weather conditions, or how hot your oven is, you might want to cook with the door closed, or you might want to cook with the door open. This has been super quick, maybe 2 minutes. 2.5 minutes tops. I'm pressing my stone, we're stopping it, and we're pulling the pizza out. check it out. A beautiful Neapolitan style pizza. Gonna roll up some basil and thinly slice it. I believe the chefs call that a chiffonade, but I'm not a chef, so we're just thinly slicing it. Fresh chopped basil down on my pizza. Slide this onto my cutting board and a little bit of olive oil because it just looks so darn pretty. Take a look at that. A beautiful Neapolitan style pizza. A 10, 11-inch pizza in the brand new Blackstone Leggero. Look at that gorgeous crust, so you can see those air pockets. I mentioned this on my channel too. Every time I tried to make pizza using store-bought pizza dough, you didn't get that. It was just kind of like an kind of crust. But when you use that type 00 flour, definitely recommend that overnight proofing is what they call it. Overnight, I'm not a baker, overnight proofing. So you make your dough, put it in your proofing box, put it in the refrigerator overnight. For some reason, a 12, a 24, or a 36-hour proofing method in the refrigerator does wonders to your pizza. Enough talking, let's eat, let's give it a try. A perfectly cooked Neapolitan style pizza. Blackstone has knocked it out of the park with their pizza ovens. So you can pick up the brand new Leggero at blackstoneproducts.com. So any way you slice it, where do those extra slices go? Seems like I'm missing a few. I don't know where those went. That's a delicious pizza. I sure do appreciate you watching. Make sure you check out all the shows on the Blackstone Network. Let me know if you love pizza. Let me know if you have one of the Blackstone pizza ovens. Let me know if you're gonna buy the Leggero, or let me know if you already have it. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the pizza. Oh, yeah.